Operation Sindoor mothak jaya ko avono choliwi tongnai tangsalo avohainu shaka montri bokrok Narendra Modi Karaksalo Ravindra Bhavano Tripura Police ni Lovaizimung by Tripura Police Constable ni offer fanda paimani yagulo Koksma Sundarani Buskango avohaikanu shaka montri okra Dr. Manik Shah Pakistani Shamung Botang Rogno twiwi mokol kaisanoi naikolo tongo Bharat Faini shalo Pakistan rok jodi avohaike taisa attack laika hinke Operation Sindoor ni bishingtei Pakistan rogno attack lai jagnai khnai shaka montri okra
How to see into the entire thing? কালকে তো আমরা already we have seen, we have already watched the TV for the address of our honorable Prime Minister. He already categorically he has already mentioned that the operation Sindoor has not been closed. It will remain open and depends upon the Pakistan's activity. If there is any attack further, then we also will do the same.
Salkisa sakang hastene railway station no kabama weapons manka avono tv bo montri okra saka police alert no tongo law and order no tv haste hafangte police rok belaikino alert ke bujodi tongko sangte hamkrani shamungo keveng faike borok no yakar jagla khane saka montri okra
No, there is always we are worried about that the arms should not enter our Tripura state, and for that whenever it comes we usually what happens, our police already address it and they recover those arms and ammunition. And so far this law and order situation, we are very much careful. Our police department, they are very much careful, and we will not allow anybody who will disturb the peace and tranquility of Tripura.
Asale Pandavu Montri Okra Kebengnai Bodol ni Bukhakti Kokrogno Firokha Kebengnai Bodol Angai Shudu Kebe Mungti Shake Abo Angya Arvo Lukuroni Kogno TV Bo Wansugnani Nango Honeshaka Bo Bio Report Kokphirokha